message from Coach Laudiaann. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann, and I'm actually just introducing you to my dog Gigi. I actually adopted her at 8 months old. She was very dirty when I got her. I was told that she did not have a bath in a few weeks. So I actually had to go get her a haircut the next day. And as you see, her inner beauty is showing you how beautiful this dog really is. She has been a blessing. She has brought healing to my heart because I was so depressed at that time when I first got her. But through the years, she brought healing to me and also my husband as well, as you see. Gigi is just a blessing. She's the sweetest little dog, a Shih Tzu that you can have. I think all Shih Tzus they make actually perfect pets. And this is me and Gigi in Illinois. She was born in Illinois and I adopted her there. She actually loves looking out the window. She loves the snow. And we call her as a nickname, Little Dog. Now this is her when her hair is growing out. She is so precious. She feels really thick when her hair is growing out. But when you cut her hair short, she's a really tiny little dog. But, you know, this cute little dog, we call her Precious. She has multiple names. She's got Gigi. She's got Little Dog. Sometimes I call her a ginger root. I make a statement, with her, just between me and her. I call her Precious, Gigi, Jenny, Ginger. And she's just a ginger root to me. I love ginger, guys. I don't know why I call her Ginger, but I was actually going to adopt her and name her Ginger, but I did not. Now, Gigi loves wearing dresses. She loves going out for walks. She loves to run out in the snow. But now, since I now live in California, which is Southern California, this is actually where I'm really from. The only reason why I moved to Illinois for 5 years is because of my fiance, who I married, is now my husband. So we've been together for years, probably like over 12 years now. Now Gigi now is 10 years old right now. This is how she looks currently. She's getting older, and she's just a lovable, sweet little gal. And this is her right now. So Gigi is a darling little girl. This is one of the most precious animals I have ever owned. Now, previously I've owned other animals, but Gigi is my closest companion. She loves her mama, which is me, and she also loves her daddy. When I first got Gigi, she was afraid of men, right? I think the previous owner, she was really afraid of my husband at first, and I was afraid that, I didn't know much about Gigi, but I was afraid that she might bite him, but she did not. She actually grew to love my husband, and now she just loves everybody. She loves children a lot. And Gigi has been through a lot with me. I actually make her crochet toys, as you can see. I made her a pillow octopus. So she's always watching me what I'm doing. She's always following me wherever I go around the house. She is just a perfect pet. I know there's other pets out there, pet owners, as a matter of fact, love their dogs. And well, guess what, guys? I love my Gigi. Gigi is the best thing in the whole world that I am now hers, and she is mine, and we are just connected, and So Gigi is my perfect love of my life, and I hope everyone enjoy this video. Okay, I have lots of pictures. I take her everywhere I go. She loves going in the car, especially. She loves to travel. She loves to go around and about. And you know what? The most thing that she loves to do is she loves to sit and watch TV. TV is I don't know about TV, but she's a TV dog. She'll watch anything. She'll watch football. She'll watch cartoon. She'll watch the news. She will watch and sit and lay down for long periods of time just staring at the TV. She watches movies with us, and then whenever a dog appears on TV, oh my gosh, she just barks up the storm. She goes up in front of the TV, and Gigi just loves watching TV. She really does. All right, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different, and I just want to introduce you to my dog, Gigi. She's a Jenny Ginger in my eyes. She's precious in my sight, and she's actually traveled many places. So she's been into the snow, but now the end of her career, she's in the sunny side of California. All right, and this is a memory video that I am posting so I can remember her, that she is loved. She had the best owners that you can have, and she is just so precious in my life. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my video about my dog Gigi. Guys, have a great day and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my Gigi movie. Bye bye for now.